Hi, my name is Adrie Cardol and I'm a product owner at 2increase for the Quality Management app. In this product video I will show you how quality management can help to make service order inspection lists. The setup of such an inspection list is done in the target template service groups, where you can select a service item group and link that to a measurement template code. So whenever an item in a service order is selected with service item group server, then automatically a measurement of the based on this template will be created. So let's go to the service orders and create a new service order. We are selecting customer 10,000, and on the service item line we select a product of the type server. So the service item group has been inserted there, and all I have to do now is put this repair status in progress, because that's where we are filtering the subscriber on, and I'm putting this one in process and leave the record, and that will create a notification telling me that a paper incident has been created. From the notification I can open the incident, and indeed it shows me a measurement that has been created. Can open the measurement here, and there is the checklist with a number of simple example questions for me to complete as a service engineer, to make sure that I have completed my service job. So the checklist is complete. I report it as complete. I can give a result status reason code if necessary, but this closes the check sheet. As a person responsible for quality management, I can now accept this this check sheet result and register the measurement. So it has now been registered. Refresh the screen, and I have one registered measurement now for this incident. So nothing else to do here, so that allows me to close the incident. So in that way you can set up any type of checklist for your service activities. Thank you.